Well, happy Easter, everybody. I'm headed out to my parents' house. My dad got a new shotgun, so I got a target. He hasn't shot it yet, so he's pretty excited. So am I. It's his first shotgun he's ever bought, so he's gonna try to take another turkey, or his first turkey with, what am I saying? Well, he's gonna He's hoping to christen it with a turkey this spring. We'll see. I'm pretty excited too because I've been wanting another shotgun. Yeah, we'll see how it shoots. Let him run around. Well, back there is, well, Jeremy got his last year. Hopefully we can make it happen again, this time with his kids, and see if we can get Adam a license too. Holy smokes. Just had some good food.
The only thing is, I don't have a sling for it.
How about that?
That'd be good.
Alright, so this is about 30 yards. So what gun did you get?
I got a Winchester 12 gauge pump, model SXP. Shoots 2 3/4 or 3-inch shells. I'm using a 3-inch shell for turkey, and I've got a full choke on it.
Stay.
Alright. First shot with the new shotgun.
Ugh. Alright. Stay. Alright.
Okay.
Take
Sure, I've got one racked in here.
Let's see what it did. You put it dead center, right?
Yeah.
You know what? I would say that's a dead turkey.
I would too.
I think you should shoot it some more.
Man, it's like pushed me back a couple times.
I wish I had another target so we can go out to like 50 and see what it does.
Yeah.
Here's a world record time at 50 yards. I'm surprised you didn't fall off the chair.
This thing's got a freaking kick on it, man.
I think 50 yards might be pushing it.
Yeah.
It could be operator error.
It could be,
We'll see what I can do.
but we'll see.
That's a long shot on a turkey. I don't think I could ever do that.
Oh, look, you're lighting off dynamite.
So loud. Let's go. Well, it's a little bit better. Not much though. I'd still get under 40.
Yeah.
That's a fun shooting gun though. Come.
You want to shoot the last shell?
No, you can shoot it.
I already pulled the target out.
No. It's a nice gun. I hope you get a turkey with it this year.
I hope so too.
Are you happy with it?
I'm happy with it. Very nice gun. The way it shoots, I can take down a buffalo.
Yeah, no kidding. Felt like I shot a buffalo. I guess any day you're shooting a new gun is a good day. Yeah, the thing shot. What we saw on the target is it's shooting like a little bit low, just a quick compensation shooting at the top of the head on a bird, and it should do the job. Good day, good food, good gun, plus it's Easter, so couldn't ask for anything more. Now I'm gonna go over to a buddy's house and pick up the deer cart because I left it there since last hunting season.